Okay, so now let's head on over to station number 2, Dichotomous Keys. So let's open that up. And again, if it's too small for you to see, you click the 3 dots and then you arrow it down, but I think I have it pretty big. In this one, we're going to use a dichotomous key, which means you have 2 choices, which are going to send you to another set of questions to help us identify an organism. We're going to play around with these jelly beans here. It says, bro, I'm in history class and trying to figure out what this jelly bean flavor is. It's a dark purple color. Send a pic. I know my flavors. I've never seen those. Remember that dichotomous key lab, what we did in science? I bet there's one for jelly bean candies too. I'm on it. So what you're going to do is you click on your second. Notice that they're a dark purple color. Okay? So I click here. And it says, number 1. You always start with number 1. Yellow, orange, red, or pink. Purple, green, blue, or black, brown, tan, or white. Well, they're purple. So it tells me to go to number 20. So I'm going to skip to 20, and it says blue or purple or green. Well, blue or purple's the one, so I'm going to go to 21. It says purple or blue. I say purple. It says go to 23. I skip to 23. It says dark purple. It's grape jelly. So your answer is grape jelly for that. So what you're going to do is you'll put grape jelly for number 1. You have 3 descriptions here. You're going to start with number 1 and figure out the flavor of the white with brown spots, and for the other 2, and then you have 2 more questions. And that's all you have to do there.